Hello friends. Everyone dreams of home that feels calm, peaceful and full of positive energy. In this video, I'll be sharing some practical Vastu tips that can help you while planning, constructing or renovating your home. Key highlights of this video are you will get to know what exactly is Vastu. And second one is you will know about the best placements of main door entrance, master bedroom, kids room, kitchen, etc. And third one is you will get simple easy steps by the help of which you can apply it to your home. Along with all these things, I'll be providing some additional bonus tips which are very helpful. Welcome to our YouTube channel Viva Interior Tips, where we are sharing information related to interiors and construction. Vastu is a vast subject with many principles and interpretation. Vastu is not just about tradition, it focuses on planning spaces according to natural elements like sunlight, airflow, direction and energy flow. When these principles are considered from the beginning, your home becomes more practical, comfortable and efficient. These are general recommendations, not mandatory rules. You can use them as reference and choose what best suits your home's design, lifestyle, comfort and personal preferences. Let's start with the entrance of the home. The main entrance of your home is much more than a point of entry. According to Vastu Shastra, choosing the right location for the main door is one of the most important decisions in home planning, as it is believed to influence positivity, prosperity and peace. Here I am briefing you the best direction of the main door, which is considered as auspicious according to Vastu in general by experts. Side of the house is a west plot, then you can go for the north facing main road. If it's east facing side, then you can choose east direction, and if it's north facing, then you can go for north or east direction. If your plot or house is facing south, then you can go for the main door direction at the east. Placing rooms in their appropriate direction is believed to create a balanced and harmonious living environment. Let's look at the ideal location for each room according to Vastu Shastra. So bedrooms, that is the master bedrooms, must be placed in southwest direction and kids room must be placed in northeast direction. Next is kitchen. Kitchen is one of the most important spaces in any home. It is more than just a place where meals are prepared. It is the heart of the home, where families gather, share conversation and create lasting memories. It must be located at southeast direction of the plot according to Vastu Shastra. Now I am briefing you a very easy steps from which you can easily apply Vastu principles. First step is keep the working plan which you have already finalized. Next, you hold the compass in your hand, go to the center of the plot and mark that on site. Next, transfer that point to the working plan approximately. The next step is to draw the direction quadrant from that center point located on the map. Then divide these quadrants equally and mark directions on them as shown in the picture. You can see whether the placement of the different rooms are coming under the Vastu principles or not.
So according to the compass, our master bedroom goes right over here in the southwest. The kitchen is perfectly placed in the southeast.
As promised, now I am sharing you some of the bonus tips here. First one is about the Brahmasthana. According to Vastu Shastra, the central area of the house is called as Brahmasthana, and it should remain open and free from heavy furniture or loads. Especially the dining table should not be placed at this place, also the staircases. This space is considered ideal for sacred activities such as performing a homa. And second one is north side must be open to allow air and flight in flow. This helps to increase money and prosperity because it's called as direction of Kubera. It is Lord of money and wealth. And next point is clear cutters in the northeast direction to increase the career opportunities. There should not be any toilet constructed in the northeast direction. Just I have shared some of the recommended guidelines suggested by Vastu experts and very important bonus tips required for happy life. But I'll repeat once again, these are all just general recommendations, not mandatory rules. You can use them as a reference and choose what best suits for your home design, lifestyle, comfort and personal preferences. You can message us any queries related to Vastu, especially for kids' education and their career. You can text. Remember, Vastu should complement good architecture, quality construction and your family's lifestyle. A beautiful home is created by combining smart planning, functionality, comfort and thoughtful designs. If you are building a new home, plan everything from floor plan to the smallest details before construction begins. That's the easiest way to create a home you will enjoy for years to come. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more practical interior design, Vastu, budget-friendly home planning tips. See you in the next video.